at why you are Edochie. My God, look at this promising young, vibrant boy. Oh God, what kind of thing is this? This guy just eye like this, eh? What can only make somebody eye like that in a football game? Could be only three things. One, if like a young boy like him, could be that some witches has been draining his blood spiritually. Or number two, because I will not say that this boy has started developing heart problem because he's young. Like what kind of thing is this? Like what is going on? Oh God. I can't believe how somebody will carry pregnancy for 9 months and end up after all that suffering training this boy up to secondary school, and somebody will be telling her this story. Oh God. No, please remove this kind of thing from our families, please. Hi. It's not funny. It's not funny to me. It's not funny to me because it's not funny. May his soul rest in peace. Oh God, please remove this kind of thing. May please take heart. You are take heart. Oh, the Edochie family, take heart. I hate when young people buy like this. It's so heartbroken. Please say a little prayer for him. May his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. Please share the video, like, comment, rest in peace for him.